안녕하세요 여러분, Christina입니다. Hey guys, it's Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a challenge wherein I will be following a Korean's makeup tutorial, and if you're interested on the outcome of what I'll look and how this goes, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. So I'll be playing the video somewhere in this area so that you can see what she's doing and what I'll be doing. Okay. So that's her intro. So that's the makeup look we're going for. And I don't know if it'll suit me, but it's a summer vacation makeup look.
안녕하세요 여러분, 포니입니다. 요즘
See? That's where I got my intro. 안녕하세요 여러분, Christina입니다.
날씨가 굉장히 급속도로 더워졌잖아요. 그래서 다들 피서지 어디로 가실까 막 생각 많이 하실 텐데 오늘은
She's just telling us about the weather and what makeup she'll be using for this kind of weather.
오늘 메이크업에도 피서지에서 사용하기
So we'll
좋은
skip that
그런 꿀템들이
Okay, so she put her foundation in her palm and just applied it using her fingers. Okay, so I'll be using the one from Maybelline, which is this Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation. Let's do that as well. 2 pumps daw, 2 pumps. Ayaw lumabas. Ayaw lumabas. Oh my god, so I just did 3, just in case. Okay, so we'll apply it using our finger. Now I'll be grabbing the sponge. I love this sponge. And yes, we're just
물
gonna
같은데 엄청
blend.
실키해요. 그래서 뭔가 크림같이 꾸덕한 제형은 펴바르기도 되게 오래 걸리고 딱 파운데이션 바른 그 느낌이 있어. 얘는 거의
느낌
그런
있어.
느낌이 없어요. 진짜 이거는 매장
진짜?
가서 한번 테스트를
테스트를
받아보세요. 부드럽고 실키한데 피부에 엄청 촥 밀착되는 그런 느낌이 들거든요. 리뉴얼이 됐어요. 엄청 뚱뚱해졌죠?
I blend it thoroughly.
이게 8월 1일날 출시가 된대요. 근데 저는 이제 미리 받아봐서 사용을 한 건데 뚱뚱해진 만큼 용량이 많아졌어요. 원래 기존 용량보다 거의 2배 정도 많아진 걸로 알고 있거든요.
So she's just telling us
그리고 이렇게
the
컨투어
difference
넣을
of the
때도
contours
좀 이렇게
before and
얇은
after.
걸로 2번 긋는.
So as for me, I'll be using the Nichido Contour and Highlight Duo Stick. So it has a contour in this side. Oh my god. And then a highlighter on the other side. So we'll see how she does it.
나 두꺼운 걸로 한 번에 쓱 그으면 되게 편하잖아요. 그래서 여러모로 좋게 리뉴얼이 된 것 같아요. 이 제품은 다른 시중에 나와 있는 그런 컨투어 스틱이랑은 조금 다르게 다른 제품들은 그냥 말 그대로 스틱 컨실러 같은 그런 타입의 제형이잖아요, 보통. 근데 얘는 약간 좀 더 파우더리한 질감이 느껴지는 그런 텍스처거든요. 그래서 바르고 펴바를 때 되게 부드럽게 이렇게 손으로 대충 이렇게 문질러도 엄청 잘 블렌딩이 되는 그런 제형이에요. 그래서 오늘 저는 3호를 사용을 해볼 건데요.
So I'm in the shade medium.
위주로.
Okay,
3호 쉐이딩 컬러가 엄청 자연스러워요. 제가 좋아하는 그런 쉐이딩 컬러라서 아무리 이렇게 과하게 발려도 진짜 자연스럽고 예쁘게 표현이 되거든요.
Oh my god. 예쁘게 더 예쁘게.
굉장히 자연스러운 음영 컬러를
I think it did a job or so. So let's just apply contour. I think it looks nice. I don't know. Maybe. No, nothing. What? You put contour there? So she puts contour here. Oh my god. I go. Yeah, wait. Oh my god. Like, is this working or something? She applied contour in this area. Like, do you do that? O pa may effect siya? Or wala? So, done with that. And then she put highlight on her forehead, on her nose, and her chin. Okay, so we'll do the same. Ang hirap ha. I'm like, whoa! Okay. Never mind, that's okay. Wow! I think I'm liking the look of this. Yan, inunahan ko na siya mag-blend.
그다음 컨실러 사용해 볼 건데요.
So, concealer.
약간
Concealer,
딱딱한
not be
타입의
grabbing my
컨실러를 사용해 볼
brush.
거예요. 같이 사용할 브러쉬는 피카소 브러쉬
So,
6이
I'm just using a brush. I don't know what brush this is. And then we'll be getting from here, which is from the Fit Me Concealer. And she does it on her, ginaganto niya. So, gayahin natin then. Oh my god.
혹시 가려졌죠?
Oh my god, I think I used too much. Ang fail. But yeah, we'll make this work, guys. We can do this. So, I have never applied concealer using a brush, as in never. But we'll see how it goes. Oh my god. Niyak ako. This is not working.
성수기라고 확실히 느끼는 게
pero
공항에
maganda
확실히
yung
사람이 많아요.
coverage
비행기도
pag
꽉 차
naka,
있고 신혼여행
naka
빼고 마지막으로 자유여행
brush.
간 게 언젠지 잘 기억이 안 나요. 고양이다. 공기 중에 날아다녀요. 그 컨실러 바르고 브러쉬에 남아있는 이 여분의 컨실러를 사용을 해서 코 밑까지
remaining daw lagay. What? Lalagay pala to.
콧방울 위쪽 주변으로까지는 바르지 않을게요. 쉽게 뜨는 부위라서.
I don't know, you apply concealer doon.
그 다음은 눈썹 한번 그려볼게요.
Yes, Kilai. Kilai is live. So she brushed it first. So same with me. I'll be using the one from Everbolena Advanced, which is this Caroline. I'm so sabaw. Caroline Wow Brow Liner. Ito. This one. And then, i-grab ko lang yung brush from my other pang kilay. Kasi, so, binrush niya. Okay, so, she did it in a straight line. Straight shape. Yan. And we'll see if I can, like, do it in a similar way. Kasi, yung kilay ko is not straight. It has an arc, so I'll try my best, guys. I'm doing my best. Don't be mad at me. Nagkakakulay na siya, so medyo help na rin yan para malaman ko kung saan yung shape. Nakabahan na ako. Okay, OMG. Let's do this. So, para makita nyo. Oh my god. Hindi siya straight. But, yeah. Oh, guys, lumampas na. But, you know. Tapos, ang mga Koreano, hindi mahilig sa sobrang haba ng buntot. Ng kilay, so I don't know. Straight ba? Mukha ba siya straight? Tapos, ang taba. Ano to? Parang feel, but we'll see how it goes pag natapos yung video, guys. Bakit baka mas... I don't know. Di nasabaw. So, there. Brush it out. Okay, this is how straight I can get it to be. Guys, hindi ito magiging similar sa face niya, but I'm trying my best. Huwag kayo magalit sa akin.
엄청 잘 지워지시는 분들 있잖아요. 띵템을 발견했어요.
So, she's just telling us na yun nga, meron silang product na pwedeng lagay sa brows para hindi siya madaling matanggal.
명템. 따단!
But I don't have that. So, I'll just be using this Tint and Tame Brow Mascara. Pag ginagamit ko to, hindi madaling matanggal yung kilay ko. Yung color sa kilay ko. Yaw ko na. Tapos, pag ginagamit ko to, super light lang, super konti lang. Baka lang makover niya yung... Oh my god. And then, at the same time, I grab my other brush to like spread it. And then next, we'll be going for the eyeshadow na. So as for the brush, I'll be using this brush from FS. And I'll be using the BD21 Vice Cosmetics palette. Kasi dito ko nakita yung shade na similar. Tada! So like this. Bakit niya inipan? May nabasa pa naman ako. Sabi, you don't blow on your brush. Oh well, so I'm following her makeup. So. Hindi pa sa kabila. And she went down to her lower lash. Kakakulay ba? Yeah. Meron. Guys, hindi ako maalam maglagay dito sa waterline, ha? But, let's see. I'll try. Where's it? Let's see how it goes. Guys, never mind. Lagyan na lang eyeliner. Kasi she also put eyeliner. So, what I'll do is just... And now, we'll be putting on powder on top of this. So, using the one from Coral Talk. Dito ko kunin yung pang darker shade. And I'll be grabbing another brush. Just this one. Itong maliit na tip. Kasi parang smoky brown ang color. Ito kasi guys, hindi mo alam pumikit. Unlike this one. It can pick it like that. Pero ito, guys, pahirapan. And then she curled her lashes. Where's my curler? Curl natin yung ating lashes. I'm not a pro at applying false lashes. So I'll be using the one from Face Shop, which is this Pro Eyelashes Edge. Puling talaga ako. This one. Anya. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan na ako. How do I do this? Like, hindi ako kaliwete, so good luck. Oh my god. Oh my god, nagulo siya. Dahil baka gawin ko to off cam. Kasi as in guys, ang hirap. Okay, so now I'm back. We're going to put on mascara.
컬러도 좀만.
Now,
블러셔 컬러를
blush.
입혀볼 건데요.
I'll be using L'Oreal Small and Dollar
약간의
Baby.
형광기가 도는 그런
I'll be
컬러를
grabbing my
입혀봤어요.
brush.
에코툴즈의 디파인 브러쉬 사용해볼게요.
There. We'll dip in here. So. Choose a highlighter. Yeah, I'm using the same brush, different color. I'm grabbing the L'Oreal Lovey and Glow palette. And my eyes.
그다음에 피카소의 2199번 브러쉬를 사용해서 좀 더 좁은 영역의 포인트로 하이라이트를 줘볼게요.
And then she grabbed another brush and put highlights. It's the main point though of this look. I guess you put it here in this area. And as for the powder, I'll be grabbing my Fit Me Matte and Poreless in Classic Ivory as well. And as for my lip color, I'll be using this one from BD21 Vault collection, yung Vault, which is in the shade Blushing Pink. Ito yung similar shade na nakita ko.
자, 이렇게 립까지 발라주면 오늘의 바캉스 메이크업 완성입니다.
And yes, so I have applied on my lipstick and that is finished. That is the summer vacation makeup look. So I'll just finish myself and I'll be right back. It for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to click the subscribe button to get notified whenever I post or upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.